Hey, I'm Tyler with Alpen. Here we're going to show you how to prepare your rough opening.
The standard AAMA technique is we're going to be cutting a modified eye. So let's show how we do this. We're going to cut a flap. This is going to be your standard kind of opening.
A key ingredient to proper installation is having a slope sill that is sloping away from the wall. And we're going to seal the opening and apply this to the windowsill like so.
I like to start here with just a little corner. We're going to want to go probably about half of the tape and
just come up that jam a little bit.
Yep. So we're going to try to get this stuff as tight as possible. Nicely cut it here. And there you go. So now we're all sealed up. We'll start taping up these sides and we'll get into putting in a window. Sound good?
Sounds great.
Awesome.
So this is how you would prepare your rough opening. If you have any questions about this, certainly it's best practice to consult your project-specific wall details, Alpen's installation instructions, or reach out to your trusted Alpen representative.